In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive to automate your backups efficiently and effectively. Setting up automated backups ensures that your important files are safe and accessible wherever you go without the hassle of manually transferring them. So let's dive in and get started. First, you need to look towards the bottom right corner of your screen where the taskbar resides. Here you should see the OneDrive Cloud icon. Clicking on this icon will bring up the OneDrive menu, the gateway to managing your cloud storage settings seamlessly. If you don't see the icon right away, try expanding the overflow menu by clicking the small upward arrow, as the icon might be hidden there. Now that you have OneDrive open, look for the gear icon labeled as Help and Settings. This is typically located at the top right of the OneDrive window. Clicking this gives you access to a wealth of options and configurations to customize your cloud interactions. Once you're in the Help and Settings section, the next step is to select Settings. Doing so will open a new window filled with various tabs, each offering different features for your OneDrive service. Focus your attention on the Sync and Backup tab, which plays a critical role in automating your backups. This tab allows you to manage how and when your files sync to the cloud, ensuring that all your essential data is continuously updated. Welcome to the core of today's task. Select Manage Backup. This feature lets you determine which folders on your computer will be backed up to OneDrive, playing a crucial role in the automation process. Here's where you personalize your backup settings. You'll see options to toggle various folders such as desktop, documents, and pictures. By toggling these folders on, you're instructing OneDrive to automatically back up their contents. Make sure to consider which folders contain your most irreplaceable files, so they are always protected in your cloud storage. Once you've ensured that all necessary folders are selected, it's vital to save your changes. Click on Save Changes to confirm your selections and initiate the backup process. Over time, OneDrive will continue to ensure these folders are up to date with any new or modified files. This step is essential to lock in your preferences and let OneDrive handle the rest, and there you have it. You've successfully set up OneDrive to automate your backups. Remember, having an automated backup system not only saves time but also provides peace of mind, knowing your valuable data is secure. Make sure to check back into your settings periodically to update and maintain them as you add or change folders on your computer. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore our other videos for more tech tips and guidance.